अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं बल्लर की कड़ी। बल्लर इट्स कॉल्ड बल्लर इन उर्दू, इंग्लिश में स्नो पीस है। डू लेट मी नो व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड इन योर लैंग्वेज इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। चलो शुरू करते हैं बनाना। इसको बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए 3 tomatoes which are to be ground. Soak 1 lemon sized ball of tamarind in warm water. ये वाला भी ग्राइंड करना है. दिस इज़ हाफ अ कप ऑफ कोकोनट स्लाइसेस along with 1 tablespoon of soaked rice. You can use any rice, but soak it for at least 20 minutes. This is the third grinding. 1 tablespoon of zeera methi roasted, 1 large onion, a few coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. So now we have to grind 3 different things. One is tomato to be ground to a paste. Another is the coconut slices and the rice. The third is onions, coriander leaves, zeera methi and garlic paste. So 3 different items to be ground and kept ready. Let's grind the tomato first. Grind to a fine paste and remove to a bowl. Next, let's grind onions, coriander leaves, garlic paste and zeera methi. Grind this also to a fine paste and remove to a bowl. The third grinding is coconut and soaked rice. We shall be using the pressure cooker for this. So keep a pressure pan, add 2 glasses of water and let it boil. Let's keep all the masalas ready. The first one is the coriander, onion, garlic paste and zeera methi. That is ready. Spice powders are ready. Tamarind water half a cup. Ground rice and coconut paste and ground tomato. Plus the snow peas or ballar. Keep them ready. The water has started to boil. Now add the ballar to the water. Along with this, add the green ground masala and the spice powders. Mix and let it boil. Now add the tomato paste and the coconut rice paste. Mix well and pressure cook for 2 whistles because I want to add another ingredient to this. After 2 whistles, let the pressure cooker cool down on its own and then open the lid and add 2 potatoes cut into quarters. Mix well. Close the pressure cooker lid for 1 more whistle. After another whistle, let the pressure cooker cool down on its own. Mix well. Check to see if it's done. Check for salt and spices also. The ballar has cooked really well. Now add the tamarind water. Mix, cover and keep on sim for 10 minutes. Now let's season the gravy. Take a small pan, add oil, then mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, add the dry red chillies and the curry leaves. Add the seasoning to the gravy. Mix well, switch off the flame, cover and let it rest till it's time to serve. Ballar ki Kadhi is now ready. Do try it out. As always, ingredients mentioned in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.